Today we are going to discuss about the magnetic vector potential. So according to Biot-Savart's law, let us consider a long current carrying conductor which is carrying a current of I. So according to right hand thumb rule, around any current carrying conductor there may be a generation of external magnetic field. If you consider a small element delta L, so here let the small magnetic field generated in this small element is delta P, so which is at a distance r from this circle. According to Biot-Savart's law, what is delta B? Delta B is mu I by 4 pi dou L cross r by r cube. This is Biot-Savart's law. This is already you have studied in your degree. The magnetic field generated in a small element delta L due to a current carrying conductor carrying current I it is at a distance r from the center of the circle is given by delta B is equal to mu I by 4 pi delta L cross r by r cube. Then what is delta of r? So in today's class we will derive what is magnetic vector potential. So what is delta of r? R is xi plus yj plus zk. This is r. If you calculate the magnitude, what is the magnitude of r? Root of x square plus y square plus z square. So here r is the magnitude. Then what is delta? Delta is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z of 1 by r means 1 by root of x square plus y square plus z square. This is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z of x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2. Right. Then if you differentiate this term with respect to x, y, z, we get I into dou by dou x of x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2 is, this is whole power minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2 dou by dou x of x square, remaining are constant, so 2xi plus next one 2yj plus 2zk divided by x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus 3 by 2 here, that is we get plus y square plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2, that is this is minus plus 3 by 2. Then delta of 1 by r is equal to 2 gets cancelled, minus of xi plus yj plus zk divided by root of x square plus y square plus z square, ఇలా రాయొచ్చు కదా, root of x square plus y square plus z square whole cube, that is whole power 3 by 2 can be rewritten as like this. Then this will becomes minus r by modulus of r cube. This is delta of 1 by r. Right. So according to Biot-Savart's law, delta B is equal to mu I by 4 pi delta L cross R by R cube. So we can replace R by R cube with minus delta of 1 by R from this equation, right? So in place of R by R cube, I am writing minus of del 1 by R. That is mu I by 4 pi delta cross del of minus del of 1 by R. So we know that A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. So if we interchange this one, this negative sign may goes. Then delta B is equal to mu I by 4 pi delta of 1 by R cross delta L. So this is the expression for delta B. Then we know that in mathematics del cross of phi A, phi is a scalar function, A is a vector function, then this can be written as del phi cross A plus phi into del cross A. So if you replace this phi with 1 by R, A with delta L, then the expression for delta cross delta R by R is equal to delta of 1 by R cross A means delta L plus phi is 1 by R into del cross del L. So in this expression we have del of 1 by R cross delta L. So from this delta R of 1 by R cross delta L is equal to del cross delta L by R minus 1 by R delta cross of delta L. Right. Let us substitute this one in this equation. We get in this equation we get, note down this one. So in place of delta of 1 by R cross delta L, we replace del cross delta by R minus 1 by R del cross del L. Sorry, here delta L is independent of x, y, z, whereas x is dependent on, that is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou x. So that means this is the curl with respect to a constant is equal to 0. So this term goes to 0. So in place of delta of 1 by R cross delta L, we can simply replace with del cross of delta by R. So let us replace this one in this equation. We get delta B is equal to mu I by 4 pi delta cross of delta L by R. So this is a constant, so I am rewriting this as del cross mu I by 4 pi delta L by R. For the total circuit, that is for the closed circuit, the magnetic field B is equal to, for the closed loop, so as we are drawn the first diagram, around any current carrying there may be generation of external magnetic field in a circular path. So then the closed loop, this is delta cross of mu I by 4 pi delta L by R. So I am taking out this delta cross. Mu I by 4 pi is also constant. Simply we get a closed integral delta L by R. So this is B. This term is replaced with magnetic vector potential. So here what is A? So from Biot-Savart's law we have derived the magnetic vector potential as B is equal to mu I by 4 pi closed integral delta L by R. The relation between magnetic vector potential and the magnetic field induction is del cross A. So this is the magnetic vector potential.